Agriculture is a science, art, and a practice focusing on the cultivation of plants and the rearing of animals for food, fiber, and other products used to sustain and enhance human life. It encompasses a wide range of activities, including crops, farming, animal husbandry, forestry, and aquaculture. Agriculture has been central to the development of human civilization, enabling sedentary societies, leading to urbanization, and facilitating technological innovation. The foundation of agriculture is rooted in the management of natural resources. It involves the systematic study and application of resources such as soil, water, climate, and genetics to optimize plant and animal production. Modern agriculture practice use a variety of techniques ranging from traditional and tilling methods to advanced technological solutions like precision farming and biotechnology. Agriculture also plays a critical role in the economy, supporting livelihood and providing raw materials for numerous industries. It influences various sectors, including food, processing, transportation, retail, and even renewable energy productions. Furthermore, agriculture is deeply intertwined with cultural and societal effects of society, often shaping diet, tradition, and lifestyle. However, as the global population grows and climate change challenges resources, agriculture must adapt to meet rising demands while ensuring sustainable and minimizing environmental impacts. In summary, agriculture is not only about growing food but also encompasses the management and utilization of resources, contribution to the economy, and influence on culture and society. It continues to evolve the scientific and technological advancement driving towards a more sustainable and effective future. Agriculture is a fundamental practice for sustainable human life, providing food, fiber, and other rich products. There are various types of agriculture, each with distinct methods and purpose tailored to different environment and needs. Subsistence agriculture is the most basic form of farming where farmers produce enough food to meet the needs of their own families with little surplus for trade. It often involves traditional techniques and farmings, while commercial agriculture focuses on growing crops and raising livestock for sale in local or global market. This type usually involves large-scale operations and technology to optimize yield and profits. Intensive agriculture involves maximize crop yield through the use of fertilizer, pesticide, and the other technology. Intensive farming is often criticized for its environmental impact, but it praised for the high productivity. Extensive agriculture uses a larger plots of lands with fewer inputs to produce a lower yields in commonly used for creating livestock areas with less fertile soil. Industrial agriculture is a form of commercial agriculture focused on a large scale production through the use of machinery and innovation. It often includes monoculture, the practice of growing a single crop season after season. Organic agriculture avoids synthetics, fertilizer, and pesticide, instead relying on natural process and materials. It emphasizes ecological balance, biodiversity, and sustainable practices. Agroforestry integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural lands to enhance productivity and sustainability. Agroforestry provides benefits such as improved soil fertility, biodiversity conservation, and reduced erosion. Permaculture is a holistic approach to agriculture that seeks to minimize ecosystem. Permaculture emphasizes sustainable use design integrating environment and human needs harmony. Aquaculture, also known as fish farming, involves cultivating aquatic organisms such as fish, shellfish, and play a significant portion of the world's seafoods. Urban agriculture helps meet logical demands by utilizing city space for producing foods inside building. Each type of agriculture serves a unique role, contributing to the diverse tapestry of global food system. Understanding this different method is crucial for addressing environmental challenges and ensuring food security for future generations. The concept of cropping pattern. Agriculture refers to the consequence of crops patterns that can influence soil health, yield, outputs, and the sustainability of farming practices. Monoculture is a cropping pattern in which a single crop species is grown rapidly on the same land. While the method can maximize output due to its specialization, it also has its drawbacks such as nutrients, increased pests. A farmer utilizing monoculture may rely excessively on chemical fertilizer and pesticide to maintain yielding, potentially leading to environmental degradation. This disrupts the ecosystem balance and can use long-term soil health issues. In contrast, polyculture, where multiple crop species are cultivated together, promotes a diverse ecosystem. It naturally controls pests and diseases as the variety of plant life attract beneficial insects and reduce crop specific pests. Polyculture is more resilient to adverse climate conditions as it does not rely on a single crop type. However, it demands greater knowledge and skill from the farming of manage different crops within the same years. Crop rotation involves growing different types of crops consecutive season. This pattern helps maintain some fertility and prevent building up pathogen and pesticidal monoculture soil degradation. For example, a sequence might including plant legume which restore nitrogen in the soil, followed by nitrogen-hungry cereal crops. Rotation can decrease the requirement for chemical fertilizer while increasing biodiversity. Intercropping is a method where two crops are grown together in proximity, enhance resources use efficiency as different crops utilize different layer profile and varying times in the season. Intercropping can also better pests and disease through the destruction created by the nearly plants in primarily served areas with low inputs, making it ideal for smallholder farmers trying to limited resources. Ultimately, the choice of cropping pattern is influenced by factors such as climate, soil condition, market condition, and farmer expertise. Adoption of diverse culture system tends to build a more agriculture practice. These strategies not only improve crop yields but also contributes to climate resilience, sustainability goals, and the economic stability of